Hey, Toni. My name's Jody. I'm turning 65 in March, and I've not received my Social Security check. And either has my husband. I'm still working, don't have company benefits. How do I enroll?
Well, what I can tell you, Jody, is it's confusing because people are told that they need to enroll in Medicare, okay? You don't have company insurance. So it is important for you to enroll in Medicare. And what you have, there's 3 different times that you can enroll. Number 1, the first one is when you're turning 65 and you're receiving your Social Security check. So if you or your husband, John, were already getting your Social Security check at 65, your little card would come in the mail and you'd feel so relieved, okay, that you would know that that's how you need to enroll. But you're turning 65 and not receiving your Social Security check. What do? Well, 90 days before, and yours is starting in March, 90 days before, you need to open up a Socialsecurity.gov account. Like I said, Medicare does not enroll you. Who would know that? So you go on to your Socialsecurity.gov account and enroll in Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. It's very simple. My email is info, I-N-F-O, at ToniSays.com. So you can email me if you have a problem, or you can call me at 832-519-8664. I have a whole team that can help you. And you've got to go open up a Socialsecurity.gov account. You don't mail a form in. You have to go online and enroll. And you got to make sure you're doing it the right way. But there's a lot of people that are turning 65 and they're still working. They've got great company insurance. They are bombarded from all these call centers nationwide. That's not you, and that's not John. Okay? But if you are still working and you're turning 65, be very careful because you do not need to enroll in Medicare if it's not at the right time. Because when you leave your company benefits, you might be 68, you might be 70. That's when you want to enroll in Part B. Because when you're first getting Part B for the first time, you don't have to answer health questions to get a Medicare supplement. Why pay for Part B if you don't need it? And Medicare is income-based. It's related to how much money you make. You know, people need to remember that with Medicare, it's what you don't know that will hurt you. And like I said, they can call me at info, I-N-F-O, at ToniSays.com. I'm Toni with an I and not a Y because I'm a girl. I'm not a guy.